Hey, happy summer, you guys. Today we've got a rose crown face painting using Facepaintinghub's brand new brush line. This is their first collection, the Veronas, and I'll be using the 5/8 angle brush for this. So Facepaintinghub, you will not regret this, you guys. You got to check these brushes out. So here I have the 5/8 angle from the collection and the Ann Lynch palette, but of course you can use whatever one stroke you want for whatever color rose you want. So I don't feel that I'm a very good one stroke artist, but I really surprised myself. I really thought this came out really well. This particular face painting design belongs to someone else, so this is my inspiration version for this. I forget her name. I do apologize. I follow her on Instagram, and I just really wanted to try to recreate it. And after this little girl got one, I'm telling you guys, it was so popular, crazy popular. So this brush, I noticed the bristles are thinner. They do pick up plenty of face paint. As you can see, it's a great application, but the bristles are thinner, so they're easier to clean, faster to clean. It's really innovative the way these ladies came up with this this line of brushes. So I have a round number 3 here with DFX White and just creating a bead of pearls, right, for the crown. And then I double dip my brush into Mehron Red to make little petals on the bottom of this rose. I'm also going to use the same Mehron Beach Berry to add some red color here for the rose. And lastly, we've got Fusion Iridescent Glitter Cream. This is absolutely perfect for any design. It's very angelic looking, so I thought it was perfect for this. She loved it, parents loved it, and I was super happy about the outcome. So check out the Face Painting Hub, you guys. You will not regret it.